Alright, so I was craving some kind of a pie dish, so I just decided to raid my pantry and make a crumble out of something. My wife had canned some pears back in, it looks like August, so that should be good. We can use that. I have about 100 grams of turbinado sugar, 100 grams of regular all-purpose flour, 75 grams of oats, and 75 grams of cold butter, and some just these dried cranberries I found, and we're going to use some regular sugar. So I'm back. I poured the flour in here and the butter. Just gonna mix it all together roughly. Kind of mix it until it resembles kind of like breadcrumbs in here. That's all we're looking for. So as you can see, it looks like roughly like breadcrumbs. So that's good enough. So what we'll do now is take the sugar. We have turbinado sugar. Dump it all in here. Followed by most of the oats. And you know what? Just throw all the oats in there. That'll be fine. We'll leave that, and then we will switch over to our bowl. I poured about half of the pears in here with some of the cranberries, and we're just going to dust a little bit of sugar on top. My lovely assistant dusting the sugar for me. Just regular sugar, nothing crazy there. And after that, we'll top it with the rest of the pears. Maybe. There we go. Now with this, we just essentially just throw all this on top for our crumble. And essentially it's ready to go. We're just going to throw it into a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes, and we'll pull it out. It'll be delicious pear crumble made out of random stuff in the pantry. Alright, so it's at 350. Here's my crumble. Shove it in the oven. Alright, see you in about 25 minutes. So it's 25 minutes. Looks like the pear crumble's done. Let's go dig in and see what it looks like. Oh, that's hot. I mean, looks like a crumble to me. Alright. Looks good. We'll give it a try. Thanks, guys. Alright, so it's pretty good for something I just threw together with just random stuff in the pantry. Go and give it a try.